Men attend for women for two reasons: sex and love. But in most cases, men do not marry for sex or love. They marry for stability. Ganito kasi yon. Yung mga lalaki can love you and not marry you. Pwede siyang makipag-sex sa'yo for many years but without marrying you. But when he finds someone who brings stability into his life, I'm sure he will marry her. Pag sinabi natin kasing stability, it means meron siyang peace of mind. Kaya nga kung minsan, di ba, meron kang maririnig na statement ng mga lalaki na, "Oh, I love this girl. I love this woman. But I don't think I can spend the rest of my life with her." Obviously, men are visionaries. When they think about marriage, not unlike us na what comes first into our mind are those fancy wedding dresses, bridesmaid, yung bongga. But for them, iniisip nila, pag pinakasalan ko ba yung babae na to kan, she helped me to build a home. If ganito ba na babae ang pipiliin ko na pakasalan, can she take care of me and my kids? Can she give me the peace of mind that I need? Men don't like ladies who give them discomfort. This is why a man can stay with a woman for many years and met another woman in just a month. And then suddenly, malalaman mo, pinakasalan niya yung bago. It's because na it's the comfort of having the peace of mind that they want ay nahanap na nila. Sex is pleasure. Love is affection. But what they want is stability. Wonder last year,